Four Overland Park police officers will not face charges tonight in spite of evidence of charitable money being taken for personal use.
Those officers formerly sat on the board of a foundation established by the Overland Park Fraternal Order of Police. Fox 4's Jacob Kittlestat's live from the Johnson County Courthouse in Olathe. Jake, the prosecutor says although unprofessional, the evidence doesn't rise to criminal charges for these officers?
No, Lauren, but the investigation is also continuing at both the state and city level. In fact, the city of Overland Park just put out a statement saying that these officers will be staying on paid administrative leave as they look into whether any city policies were violated. Meanwhile, the Kansas Attorney General's office is also now involved. There was no one around at the Overland Park FOP immediately after the announcement that past board members would not be charged. But Johnson County District Attorney Steve Howe outlined the issues, including wiped electronics, almost no record keeping, and flexible bylaws leading to the situation.
They violate the public's trust on that, and we put that in our report.
Those findings show how the foundation, started in 2016, raised money through giant contracts with third-party telemarketer companies.
Lemonade, it's for the police.
But also street-level fundraisers like this lemonade stand. They also, almost immediately, normalized the behavior of including board members in the group of FOP members eligible to receive assistance in violation of the bylaws. This practice of board members receiving officer assistance occurred with regularity on multiple occasions throughout the life of the foundation. Thousands of dollars went out to board members, including one instance to pay for veterinary bills, according to the DA.
People are not going to be happy that they donated money thinking that it was for one intended purpose, and instead it was for a much broader purpose that it was being used for.
But why no charges?
I mean, it's clear that there were many provisions of the bylaws that were not being followed by this foundation. Violation of the bylaws doesn't always equal criminal conduct.
Now, at the state level, the Kansas Attorney General's office is looking for a very specific act that may have been violated. That's called the Kansas Charitable Organization and Solicitations Act. That would be a civil charge, not a criminal one, though, John. And also, we reached out to the Overland Park Fraternal Order of Police multiple times today to see if they had a reaction to this latest decision. They could not be reached.
Jacob Kittlestat live in Olathe at the Johnson County Courthouse tonight. Jake, thanks.